Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted another Starline i96 on this really lovely 2021 Range Rover Sport SVR. What we're going to do today is a video slightly different. We're going to show you how to pair your phone if you want to use your phone as Bluetooth authorization. So initially, download an app called Starline Key. Okay, once you've downloaded the app called Starline Key, just turn the start button on. Go through your standard disarm codes. On here we've done something very basic, so 1, 2, 3. Wait for a disarm melody. There you go. Then hit one of the buttons that you've used for the code on the network 7 times, and then turn the start button off and on, and you get 7 bleeps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start button off or ignition off, and then back on. And we receive 7 bleeps. That means it makes the product disarmed and in discoverable mode. So we go to the Starline Key app. We start to search. Sorry about that, it's actually paired to my vehicle. So let's just come out of that and go to Bluetooth settings. Then go to Bluetooth, search for devices. Hit search. And wait for the Starline i96 tag to pop up. Let's just scroll down. There you go, it's popped up now. So select it. Then insert a code of 06 times on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit pair. You'll hear a bleep. There you go, it's now paired. If I then turn off the start button, we'll hear 1 bleep. 1 bleep means 1 phone paired. If you want to do more than 1 phone, you'd have to search at the same time and connect at the same time. So that's now learned. So if I go to the Starline Key app, if we now just turn on the ignition, there you go, disarm melody, start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick short video helpful. It's just to help my customers along to pair their phone up. As I said, this is the i96 fitted to an SVR and it's Bluetooth authorization to disarm it. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you, bye bye.